I've had two concussions, I think, of differing severity. First one was in, I think, the very end of 11th grade. I was playing field hockey for my school team, and I was sprinting, and I kind of got tripped awkwardly, and I hit my head against the turf. Kind of was down there for a little bit. It was my first experience with ever having a major head injury. One of the parents on the opposing team was actually an ER doc. So he ran out and sprinted and didn't let me move whatsoever. And he's like, "We need to call an ambulance." And I'm like, "No, I think I'm okay." But no, I didn't move. So then the ambulance came. I got picked up and stretchered into the ambulance. I went to, can't remember what hospital it was. The doctor checked me out, asked me a few questions. I said I was fine. He thought it would be like a mild to maybe medium concussion. And I guess immediately after, I was just super tired. I ended up, I think I just wanted to stay in my room, and my room at the time was in a basement, so it was super dark anyways, which worked out well. But I'm from Vancouver, so a very sunny place. But I didn't like being around a lot of light. It was usually just wanting to stay in my room, which made me feel a little hermity. But I was fortunate enough that a lot of my family are doctors, and they're like, "That's normal. Don't, you're not that's completely fine. Just stay in the room by yourself, read a book, with minimal light or whatever you can. Try not to be on screens."